3 Money Management Tips. Understand yourself. Discontent, envy, jealousy, sadness often make you spend too much. Shopping temporarily drowns out these feelings. Think of money as a tool. We often repeat the phrases "I wish I had more money" or "I really need to start saving," implying that more money will solve all our problems. We turn finance into an end in itself, although it is just a tool to achieve what we want. Never spend more than you earn. Otherwise, you will always be a slave to money. You will have to live paycheck to paycheck or even borrow. Make it a rule on payday to put some money aside and pay your bills first. And remember, fundamental independence and reliance on yourself, and not on other people or society as a whole, is the key to successfully achieving what you want.